Hi guys, it's Kelly, the Sunshine Crafter, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the Trinity Stamp Slimline Leafy background. This is a fantastic stamp that will get a lot of love and use from me, I can tell you that. In this stamp you also get the For You and a few extra branches here you can use for different elements on your cards, and it's just a nice addition to any craft room. I will also be using a slimline card, 8.5 by 3.5, and I'll be using the Roy G. Biv in Distress Inks, and I'll also be showing you some photos at the end of an oxide inks I used, which are more autumn colors. This is a little more autumn cheery, autumn rainbow, which is in what Trinity Stamp's newest release is called, Autumn Rainbow. This here is the Scripty Birthday set, and it's a great set to have. It's a good one because it also has the shadow die cut as well. Okay, so let's get to it. This here is a Cricut sticky mat. It's a regular tack mat. It's a little bit too much tack, but it'll loosen up after time. But this is a great tool to have when you don't want to use your magnet to keep your entire piece down. Highly recommend. I trimmed mine down to fit in my Misti. Now here I was just using my Versafine Onyx black pigment ink and inking that up real quick, and then I added Clear Embossing Powder, and I heated it off screen because I have a small craft room. Now, coming up, here comes my favorite part, the reveal. I stacked that little dot 3 times high. I held on to it with dear life. I didn't want it to fling anywhere, so I held on to it tight. Don't want to lose that dot, that tittle. And that's all there is to it. Simple masking can create beautiful cards. I mean, look how quick. The only problem is, like I said, I lost the footage for me cutting those strips, the black and the white, to put my polishing borders on the masking edges. Other than that, this card was so quick to put together. These cards were so quick to put together. And I changed it up, a little silver, a little gold, a little oxide, little distress inks, and you got different looks. And real quick, I'm building up my birthday card stash again. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you get the chance, please check out Trinity Stamps' Autumn Rainbow release. It is spectacular, and I really, really think you'll like it. And if you have a chance, please check out Trinity Stamps' blog, Instagram TV, and Facebook group for more inspiration from the design team. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay crafty, everyone. Bye-bye.